Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the headers and the footers in Word. You can use them to put on the author's name or maybe the date or the page's number, for example. In order to create a footer or a header, double click on the margin in the top of the page or in the bottom of it. This will unlock your header or footer area, and then you can type whatever you want on it. When you're done typing, you can click on close the header here, or by simply pressing escape on your keyboard. You can also use an already built presets if you want. To add a preset, go to the insert section and then press header or footer depending on which one you want. I'm gonna choose a header, and then after this you get to choose whatever preset you want. Now type anything you want in this section. Press on escape to leave the header. And if you want to get back to it, double click. Let's say, for example, you want to add the date. Just double click and then go to date and time over here. And then choose how you want the date to appear. If you want the date to be updated automatically, you can tick this box down here. If not, just leave it unchecked and it will stay on today's date. Headers and footers are very important when it comes to making documents, so we hope this video have helped you out to figure out how to use headers and footers. If it helped, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channels for more future tutorials like this. And take care.